There's Big Ben over there, having its works done. It's probably going to be on hold for a little while, like everything else. Hello everyone. So yeah, I've been thinking about starting up a little YouTube channel, putting some content online for a little while now, and now because of the coronavirus we have a lot of time, so I thought why not do it now. Today is Friday the 20th, I think. Yeah, Friday the 20th. I'm based here in London and I thought I'd go out and see what's going on around the area. I've only been around my local area in the past sort of 3 days, so I don't know what's going on more in the central of the city of London. So I'm going to go out and do some photography and see what happens. I'm going to take my 5D Mark IV with a 70-200 2.8, and I'm also going to take a smaller Olympus which fits in my pocket. Olympus OMD 10 Mark III fits in my pocket. It's going to have a 20mm lens and equivalent to a 40mm lens. I don't know what the mood's like out there, so I'm going to take a bit of a variation. So let's see what happens. I wonder if the gate's open. I'm guessing that's closed. Don't know why I'm taking a picture of a picture. London's famous Shaftesbury Avenue. All the theatres are dead. I haven't got any change, brother. I'm sorry, man. I haven't got any change, bro. Sorry, man. usually packed full of tourists. Nothing, not even one customer on a Friday in London. It's crazy. Come on, darling, blow that smoke again. It's alright, man, don't worry about it.